Hi, welcome to a new video, and this is gonna be good. So we've got this nice fillet steak here. We're going to be cooking it a minute each side and then 3 to 4 minutes each side for a nice rare finish. We've already put some sea salt crystals on, and we're just going to finish it off with some black pepper. So we're going to get our handy assistant Alexa, set timer for 1 minute. Dry pan. Alexa, stop. Alexa, set timer for 1 minute. Alexa, stop. Right, so I'm going to reduce heat to medium. Set timer for 3 minutes. That was quite cool. I'm also going to finish it off with some butter. Three minutes. That's kind of a good crust on the top. We'll let that rest. That is beautiful. That there is the first time I've been cooking that. I just took a wee bite out of, or a slice out of it there, and that is beautiful. Beautiful. Now we're going to serve this with, 2 stuffed peppers and some mash. Mash is homemade, sorry about the dogs shaking in the background. But that steak is wow. So yeah guys, that there is a very well cooked steak. Nice and bare in the middle. I mean, if you'd like your steaks a wee bit more medium rare, or medium, just cook them for a wee bit longer. I think it said 5 to 6 minutes for medium, and then don't go above medium in my opinion, because you may as well just ask for the leather boot. But I'm looking into getting to, I've got a few things planned for this year I'm going to try and implement, but this is just a wee quick video on how to cook, or how I like to cook my steaks, and that is that. Hit the subscribe button down below and comment, let me know how you like your steak, and yeah, we'll chat some more and like the video.